What's up guys, it's 𝓂𴑃, and in today's video I'm going to be transforming into a basic bitch. I don't know, some people have asked me to do this video and it's like, I don't know why, because my makeup's already pretty basic and I do dress basic sometimes, but I know most of you classify me as grunge or like goth, which I'm not goth at all. This is my outfit right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and change into what I would wear as a basic bitch. So, okay, well, this is the best basic bitch attire I can give you, so this is the fit for today. I'm gonna go ahead and like take off my makeup and then watch a few basic bitch makeup tutorials. Or I don't know if this person wants me to go for like Instagram baddie or like actual white trash basic bitch, but I think I want to go for the white trash one because like that was younger me's dream. I don't have a wig cap. We're really gonna have to do this, so I'm sorry. My finger just popped out of place and I have no idea how to get it back in without crushing it. Oh wait, there. God, okay. I can still move it, so that hoe's not broken. Something definitely just went on with it because I don't know, I moved it to the side. That was really painful and I heard crunching. That was crazy. So I think instead of makeup tutorials, I'm gonna have to look up how to pop my finger back into place because it's... Finger situation is fixed. My hand still hurts. I should probably go to the doctor. We're gonna pretend like this wig actually looks good on me. We're gonna pretend like this looks good. We're going to start with foundation. Some basic bitch out there in the world does this. I'm gonna do like a little eyeshadow moment. I would try to cover my tattoo, but I don't think I can cover it with the products I have. Also, septum's going up. I'm gonna take out the rest of my piercings later. I'm gonna do arched eyebrows today, which hopefully someone is excited for. I know they put a lot of concealer on. I don't know, that's just what I see all the time. Putting this much concealer on scares me because I'm like, oh, this is really gonna clog my skin. I already feel cakey. I'm also gonna do eyeliner today. I think this is the moment we would be getting, wow, I've never blended it that fast. I'm gonna have to do that more often. I hope this looks good on camera because with the lighting I'm getting, I'm not really sure if it will look good. I guess I'm gonna do brows now. This is gonna be crazy because I've like never really done arch brows. I mean, I kind of have when I was like 13, but it's been a long time, so. Ooh, I guess this is why they conceal. Can I even fix that with concealer? I don't have any like natural guide to go along. I bet this one's gonna actually come out good. Okay, wait. I bet this one's gonna actually come out good. Okay, you know what? Concealer. God. Okay, are they even? No, not really. Let's just pray concealer can fix it. Ooh. Okay, well, fuck, okay. Wow, shit, okay. I'm sorry if I failed the arch brow goddess. That's the best we're gonna get. I'm sorry. That's like the best we're gonna get. So wait, I have brushes. I'm not gonna do a complicated look. I'm just gonna do some like browns because I only have one eyeshadow palette and it's colored, so I'm using a contour palette. I really hope this looks good. Like, I do actually want to try and make myself look like a basic bitch. The eyeshadow movement's not that good, but wait. I'm going to add this gloss. I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. I'm going to put on some blush. This is gonna blend out, I know it. Hopefully, maybe. See? Okay, maybe not. Maybe a little. Geez, what do we do now? This is stressful. I'm not gonna put lashes on because I feel like that's not a basic bitch thing. I will put mascara on though. Okay. Well, oh, eyeliner. Someone's listening to Lizzo outside. Okay, maybe we should make that wing thicker, but I'm also scared of ruining what I have going for me. Okay, wings aren't exactly even, but that's just something we're gonna have to deal with. I think that's it. I think I did it. Wow. Oh wow, I never take that one out. I'm not gonna take out my nose piercings because it's kind of a hard moment. I already put the piercings back in, but the lighting was kind of shitty in the video. So like, here's the look, like in good lighting. Anyways, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed that. That was actually kind of fun, but it was weird to see myself like that.